Hi, beautiful angels. This is Mystic C from Magic Wins Tarot, and this is who is coming next for you for Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. If you're fire sign, this reading is for you, friends. If you know a fire sign, you can cross watch it. But I would suggest you to watch it for yourself because this is about you. Who is coming next for you? Make sure to subscribe, Magic Wins Tarot, friends. Subscribe, like, and share. We work very hard, friends. Do subscribe, do motivate us. And if you enjoyed, if your 2020 was easy because of us, make sure to subscribe, like, and share. Join us on Instagram as Magic Wins Tarot. To buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicwinstarot.com. Also, friends, this is a general reading. It may resonate or it may not. So take whatever resonates, leave the rest behind. Let's see. You can also watch many other Happy Valentine's week and day for you, friends. And this is a timeless reading, but you can watch other Valentine's readings, messages from your person, what will happen for you on the Valentine's Day, how your person is feeling, are they gonna come back? So lots of Valentine readings I have done. You can check them out. I will try to link them somewhere up in the cards. So let's see. Fire signs, how are you feeling currently? Let's see that. Fire signs, your current theme. What is the theme? How are you currently feeling? Fire signs. Ooh, fire signs, Eight of Swords. You are feeling very restricted right now. You are feeling like you don't have any options. You have to listen to your family. You have to listen to what tradition is. You don't have, you are feeling a bit restricted. And maybe you are feeling caught in your home because of the world situation. You are like, OMG, why are we stuck in the home and why so long? All right. So currently, you're also looking for relationships which have a long term potential. You are looking for commitment, family. You want someone to value you. Maybe you are also married, but still you feel like you are not happy there, or you are in a relationship, but that person is not committing to you. So you feel a little restricted. You could be single, also entirely single, but you want commitment. You want somebody to value and understand you. So, how are you feeling? Queen of Pentacles. Yeah, you are trying to value yourself. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. You are trying to value yourself. You are trying to increase also your work, your career. But I think like you are focused on your work and career and money, but you feel like you have achieved what you wanted in career or money, but you are lacking somewhere in love. You don't have a life partner. You see other people are married, but you are not. So somewhere that is that envy, that pain. I would not say it's envy, it's pain. Actually, it's paining you. Something is paining you. That's what I feel. You feel like you have reached a stable position, but you are paining. There's a heartache. You could also be dealing with the Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. You want somebody to value you. You want somebody to love you and respect you. You don't just want a relationship. So who is coming for Aries, Leo, Sag? Who is coming towards Aries, Leo, Sag in love? Okay. Wheel of Fortune. Someone destiny is bringing towards you a new change. Definitely a fortunate relationship. Somebody who is perfectly destined. You guys are meant to be. This is part of the divine plan for you. And a very lucky person. Oh, Ace of Pentacles. You might meet this person through work. When you meet, you might also meet them like they join your work or you join their work. When you start a new career, change your school or colleges, or where you are living, you are going to meet them, or they are coming and leaving their city and coming to yours. That's when you are going to meet. This is a powerful new start, or this is a powerful fortunate person or relationship coming for you. This person and you are destined to be. They are a very solid person. Nine of Swords. I do feel like this person also had been through a tough past like you had been, but they are coming out of those restrictions. They are definitely coming out and they out of restrictions and becoming more ready to offer you love, partnership, marriage, commitment. I feel this person is very dependable, and they are also a workaholic. They are also, they are as stable in their work as you are. Aries, Leo, Sag, so you will find it harmonious. You will find it like, yeah, this is nice. Like they also have the same. Maybe they work in your field, or something like that. You will find their work and career quite interesting. I also feel this person could be coming into your life as a marriage proposal, or with a commitment, with marriage in their mind. Empress, yeah, definitely this person wants you, as a mama, as a papa. They want to make you a mama papa. So, yeah, they are looking for a wife, they are looking for a husband, and they are ready. I think this person is ready. Maybe you were married to this person once and you are going through trouble, but it will revive, things will get better. I also feel if you are really single, this person you are going to end up marrying, or there will be definitely talks about marriage. The Hermit, yeah, this person talks less. This person is quite intelligent. They are very sharp. They are very intelligent, and they might wear glasses. I feel longer, slightly curly hairs. But this person doesn't talk a lot. They are a quiet person. Who is coming towards? Three of Pentacles. Someone from your work, your ex-colleague, your boss, someone you worked with in the past, and someone who will give time and attention to this connection and partnership. They won't make you just do everything alone. They are here with you and want to work things out with you. I also feel they could be secretly admiring you. They are secretly watching your social media and not telling you right now. I feel they already know you. Nine of Cups, happiness. Yeah, this person is a party person. They like to party, they like to fine dine. They might have, they like to go out in restaurants and enjoy a good meal. They are a rich person, I feel. They have rich taste at least. Six of Wands, yeah, they are very successful, and this will be a very passionate connection. You both will have the same likes, same dislikes. This person could be, if you ask sun signs, they could be an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person. They can also be a Virgo or Capricorn person. So, a lot of very successful persons, very, very successful, very fortunate. Knight of Cups, yeah, this person, once they get to know you, they will talk a lot. But initially, they'll be very quiet. They will love to listen to you. And the Emperor, yeah, they could be an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person, and they are very powerful. Maybe at work, they are very powerful. They are a business owner, they are a CEO or something like that. This person is, they know they are powerful and intelligent. So let's see who is coming towards Aries, Leo, Sag. Message, yeah, this person is going to message you very quickly, or someone who has recently messaged you, that person is your next lover. Maybe this is a marriage proposal. Very high chances marriage proposal. Yeah, it could be a marriage proposal or someone you are talking marriage with. Occupation, again occupation, good lord. This person and you are working together, or you may end up working together with this person. You may meet them through creative hobbies, or someone you work with or study with, but definitely you may end up working or starting a business. Community, yeah, you have the same common friends, same family, or maybe like neighbors, you live in the same community or something. Definitely this is somebody who is your neighbor, or you study with, or someone who is already in your social media, or they are coming very soon in the next 7 days, next 7 hours. They might message you. Let us see now how this number 34, 39 is important, maybe as age. I feel how the relationship will be, overall relationship between you and this person. Awaiting results, number 7. Yeah, this will be, this connection will develop slowly but very strongly, very, very strongly. This relationship will have deep roots, very deep roots. It is not something that you will just, start and finish. No, this relationship has roots. It is like a tree, a big banyan tree. Ooh, the lovers. Wow, you guys are committed to each other. You are both very committed, very loyal, a very loving connection. You both are perfect for each. Oh my god. Wow. Two cards jumped out. Let me take them. At least, oh no, three jumped out. Sadness and isolation. I do feel this person will heal your heart, or you will heal their heart. The sadness, refusing to see Two of Swords. I do feel at times this person might be a little fixed because they are a leader, they are used to leading, but I think you can definitely, there is so much love. You won't mind their, you will also understand their mistakes, and they will also understand. You both will overlook these things, and this is definitely something what you are manifesting. If you are manifesting a relationship, yes, you are on the right path. This is what you will have after the manifestation. This is what you are going to get. So let's see, what does this person want to say to you? By the book, number 11. Yeah, I think this person may meet you. They are very traditional. They might be a little orthodox in some way, like, they are a little traditional. I feel they are not very modern. Even though they are very successful, but they are a traditional person. Like, they value family, their elders, the younger children. They value everybody. Time for a nap. Yeah, I do feel like this person wants you to, at times, they want you to leave the work and relax, and go out on traveling with them, because I feel you both are workaholics. Too much work is here, because you both are maybe at the same work. Higher power. This is a destined connection. This is definitely destiny bringing you together. You and them both are manifesting this connection. Number 1, number 24, number 4, 11, 18 are important. Very, very important connection. The higher powers are aligning you both. So let's see some love messages from your person. What does this person want to say to our viewers? Okay, so Sappho. Love is a cunning weaver of fantasies and fables. Someone in some future time will think of us. So, wow, someone in future time will think of us. So, I think definitely if you are manifesting, this is exactly your manifestations coming true. So, keep manifesting. You're on the right path. What is beautiful is good, and what is good will soon be beautiful. I definitely feel like. You both had been through failed relationships or marriages, or maybe people cheated on you both, but this person will be very strong and dependable. For our viewers, they won't do the same. Elizabeth Taylor, wonderful actor. Don't run so fast that you can't be caught. Oh, see, this is what they are saying. I think your Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, your self love is so high that you are not settling for anybody less, but that means you might say no to them also. You can be a big fan of marriage, just be an even bigger fan of diamonds. Oh my god, this person is surely going to give you diamonds. It is like diamonds are forever. This person is like, see, I want to marry you, but I know you are not interested in the marriage because I know you love diamonds, so let me give you a diamond. They will do anything to win you, seriously. True friends last longer than marriage, however many times you marry. Wow, this I do feel you both may have married at times and you had a failed marriage or they had a failed marriage. But this person will be your lifelong best friend. They are going to support you because that's how they love you. And even financially, emotionally, and in all ways, they are going to be there for you. They are not going to leave you. Healing family issues, your love life benefits as you forgive your parents. Yeah, I do feel their mother or the family is a factor in this connection, or they might have some issues with family. Retreat, it is time to disconnect from the world. Yeah, they will love. I do feel you're working too much, so it is time to go out on a holiday, maybe take a trip, let your friends help you, ask for and accept support from others. So, yeah, it's time to enjoy friendships. It is time to stop working or maybe worrying too much and enjoy a good time in life. So, you can attract this person. And that's it for now, friends. Subscribe Magic Wednesday, like and share. And this is Mystic C saying bye bye.